Hello, my name is Kenji Ogusu. I will explain about Rising 24. That is the biggest event in Japan. I am former MMA fighter. I was the first professional MMA fighter around the world in flyweight division. And I am a black belt of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Judo. I had world ranking 2 of Shooto. Shooto is the oldest professional MMA around the world. Yes. And yes, I will explain about Rising 24 from now. I think first match of Rising is very great and very exciting match for the audience because we could see big, brave heart. Julie O'Hara showed his very strong spirit and very strong, brave heart, I think. Yeah, because the reason why, so Julie O'Hara showed brave heart, very strong spirit to us. He is not famous even as MMA fighter, but opponent Yaji Yusuke is already so famous as MMA fighter and YouTuber. Yusuke Yaji has a lot of subscribers on YouTube already, but Julia O'Hara has a very long career for MMA fighter. It's almost 10 years, and he fight he fight he fight 5 times a year. He has already very long career, but it was first time to get big chance for him to fight in big event. Yes, I guess Julie O'Hara think this opportunity and chance is last chance for Julie O'Hara because if Julie O'Hara lost the match, Julie O'Hara think that Julie O'Hara will not be called from Rising. Julie O'Hara think this time is last chance and first chance. But I think Julie O'Hara could show very great match to the audience. Yes, I think that match is very great and excellent match for the audience. Yes. Yes, I felt these feeling with first match. Yes, and yes, I will explain another matches. Yes, for example, Kai Asakura, who is champion of Rising vs Shoji, and another match Kintaro vs Takizawa. Yes, and great kickboxer Nasukawa Tenshin vs Koji. Yes, I will explain those matches. Yes, after that. Thank you for listening my talking this time. See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.